Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
What are you doing?
I'm just thinking, how many types of whoosh are there? Like whooshes. How many types of whooshes are there?
Dude, but why are you doing that? Why don't you just go to the description of this video and download all the whooshes sound you need? As of now, I am giving, Alright, my bad. As of now, we are giving 101 whooshes sound effect. So please go ahead in description and download it.
And if you want to learn how to use it, stay on the video. I'll explain you.
Go ahead and click on the link in the description. Once you are in this page, click download and download all the file. Once you download it, you will have this zip file. If you are using Windows, right click and extract here. And if you are using Mac, just double click and open the file. Now you have this folder with 115 whoosh sound effect. Now you can go to Premiere Pro, right click and import. Find the folder where you have all the sound effect and just click import. Now you have imported all the whoosh sound effect in your Premiere Pro. From here, all you have to do is just drag and drop any sound you like into your project.
As always, if you like this video and learn something new, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Maybe they will learn something new as well. If you're new to the channel, then subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any new videos on tips, tricks, and new updates like this. I will see you again with another exciting video. Until then, my lovely friends, take care and keep creating.